Welcome to one new video with Wise World English. Today we're going to review grammar. We're going to practice how to make speculations. Speculations are possible explanations to different situations. And we're going to use the modal verb must. So let's see. Okay, quick question. Why is this woman angry? Maybe it's a good idea to pause the video and write some sentences with maybe. Okay, I hope you have paused the video and now let's see some examples. Okay, so what is the problem? Maybe her friends are late and maybe she works too much. Okay, so we have some sentences with maybe, and probably you have some sentences in your notebook. But now we're going to write the sentences using the modal must. Attention to the principal verb in the sentences. So the first one would be, her friends must be late. Look at this. We are using the modal must. And look at the verb. We're using the base form. Her friends must be late. And so what about the second one? Can you write the second one very fast before I show you the answer? Pause the video if necessary. So the second one would be, she must work too much. So once again, notice that we are using the modal verb must to make speculations. Speculations because we don't know the real reason, but we are pretty sure that these are the reasons why the woman is angry. Okay, let's make more examples. Once again, the woman is angry, and we're going to make speculations. So what happened? Maybe the traffic was terrible. Or maybe her husband didn't clean the house. So she just called him and he said, oh, I didn't clean the house. But now, can you pause the video for a moment and write the sentences with must? Let's see how you do it. Maybe you remember your classes from school or something. Let's see. Okay, so let's check the answers very fast. The first sentence, using the modal verb must, would be, the traffic must have been terrible. Must have. And the second one would be, her husband must not have cleaned the house. Must not have cleaned the house. Okay, notice the use of must. Now, but be careful. In these examples, we are talking about situations in the past. So we are using must have. So, very fast. To recap, we were making speculations, but about things in the present and things in the past. If you remember the examples from before, can you pause the video very fast and complete the sentences? I hope you have paused the video, and now I'm going to show you the answers. Must be, must work, must have been, must not have cleaned. Okay, so as you can see, what differences do we notice here? Well, in the present, we are using must, and look at the verb. The verb is going to be in base form. But now look at the sentences in the past. In the past, we're using must have, and look at this verb. Notice the difference. Base form, and this is past participle. Okay, I hope you have understood this lesson. And now it's your turn. Okay, so now look, now the woman is happy and she has something in her hands. So the question is, why is she happy? Can you write 4 or 5 sentences using must or must have? That would be your homework. Okay, remember to use must and must have. And before you close the video, attention, remember to use a QR to find a complete list of videos and extra material classified in topics and in order, right? According to levels also. Okay, and remember to follow me in all the social media. Thank you very much, and I will see you in future lessons. Bye-bye.